Adelina here with my mom.
And
Around my home, we are working in the sitting area.
in the sitting room, And what are we doing today?
We're putting up Easter feasts.
We're putting up our Easter decorations. So we have this one box that gets stored in the basement, and this has our spring and Easter decor. There might even be some Valentine's decor in there, which we've missed,
Yeah.
but that's okay.
Because I saw Valentine's bee in there.
Did you?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's made a horse.
Oh, the one you made last year. Okay, so if you'd like to join along with us and just see what we're up to, you can do some decorating too. So go grab your Easter decorations
And get started.
and we'll get started. So
Yep.
what do we have first, Adelina, that we should put in here?
I was thinking we should do this one.
The Easter bunny. That's a really pretty Easter bunny. So where do you want to put that?
Wow. I think over here.
Okay,
And a little sand would be cute.
that looks good right
It's like
there.
it's trying to sniff out some carrots in the book.
Oh yes, that's a good idea. And what else in our basket? This little sign we usually put in the dining room, so we can do that. Got some Easter grass on it. Oh, do you have a better spot for that? Oh, that is a pretty spot right up there on our little antique
And I
desk.
probably could do a few of these around them.
You're just gonna put them around
Yeah, we're
our
on the way.
Okay. All right, we'll save these for our Easter egg hunting, and these are
Oh,
Easter
not
baskets.
open it.
Oh dear. Want some help? Ooh, here's a pretty little Easter basket with some sparkly eggs. We could put that somewhere.
Yeah.
Does
We
it,
can send the eggs too.
does it need some Easter grass in it? You want to put a little in there? Okay. Let's
Just
see.
so the eggs can cast it up.
Yeah, that way we can see the eggs a little better. Get
So
this
it's kind of like, so it's like you kind of resting in a little nest.
Uh-huh. That looks great. You can set that somewhere for some decorating. And don't forget, we're going to
I'm
put...
going to touch this lamp.
Oh, okay. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Okay.
See what these cute little guys. Ooh. Ooh.
Put those there.
Two.
Okay. Got them right there. Good.
Just saying them on the ground.
Okay, that works. All right.
See
And then...
if I can open
Oh, I got it open. You want to put a few of those around in here, and then we can move into the dining room?
Yeah, we could like do it like this. We could hide the candies in them,
Oh.
and you would just pick the eggs up, and you wouldn't know if you picked one up was candy or not.
That's true. That would be a fun surprise, wouldn't it?
Yeah, like we could do that on Easter Day.
On the Easter day, kind of like an Easter egg hunt inside the house.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Hide
an
one
idea
right
too.
in here.
Okay. And a few more?
And a spoonful.
4. Okay, that's a good number.
Hide. Ooh, I know.
Oh, on the bookshelf. That's a good idea.
And then the last two. That's two little guys. Ooh.
Yeah.
Next to there, I will blend in with the
Oh,
floor.
right there. It'll blend in with the floor. That's
Yes.
a good idea.
It's behind here.
Okay.
And I got a really good place for this one.
Okay.
But after you somebody sits on this chair, don't be like, oh, Dad, because I put it on the chair.
That's a good idea too. Okay, should we move into the dining room? We'll do some decorating in there.
I was also thinking putting this cute little guy in.
Oh yeah, the Easter bunny with the little carrot.
Yeah. And
Be
the
careful
carrot,
because
yeah.
his ears have broken off, so they're kind of delicate. We had to glue one back on.
Yeah, I saw this one had a crack, so I was putting it on this ear.
Gotcha. Okay. Okay.
If you can see his little carrot can come out, and then he can.
Yep. That is cute how he eats that carrot, isn't it? All gone.
Wait, I'm just gonna let him do it.
Okay.
We can put him like right here.
Oh yeah, that's another good spot for him.
He's like, hey, I like Easter eggs.
Uh-huh.
Let's move on to the next room.
Okay.
We'll see you in there.
All right, we'll see you in the next room.
Okay. Hello, everybody. If you can see, we're back Back.
We're in the dining room.
We're in the dining room.
Yes.
And we're gonna put some more Easter egg stuff. So if
Yep.
you watch the last movie, this one goes through it with it, and
You can keep going.
yep.
Keep decorating. All right, so what do you have there?
Little Easter bunnies.
So you could wear those to be festive, huh? Nope, we're gonna put them on the flower decorations. Okay. You want to
you
show
guys
'em?
see?
Yeah, we'll show 'em.
Yeah.
You see? Okay.
Get it. They saw it.
Okay.
I was
Good.
watching the camera.
Okay, good.
And I think we should hide some more keys.
Hide some more eggs. Okay. Ooh, we've got a feather. I think that's a turkey feather.
Oh yeah.
You want to put our
Bop,
turkey
bop,
feather?
bop, bop, bop. And this is that right there.
Okay.
Let's not put one of these eggs here.
No, I don't think we should put one in the basement hole. That goes to the other floor.
So we can hide one like.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea if it doesn't roll off.
It's not gonna roll off.
Yeah.
And then,
You put one on each table by the flowers.
oh yeah, so actually that could be the hiding
Yeah.
right there.
Okay.
Hiding there.
Okay. And then maybe one on the big table in the middle.
I'll actually hide it in one of the flowers.
Oh, in one of the flowers. Good thinking.
Hey, it can fall out.
Good.
And you can see I can move this. And
Oh, wow. That was a really strategic place to hide one.
Yeah, I can't believe it. That's the
Wow.
Ooh, we can hide one in the plant.
Yeah, and the plant would work too.
Yeah, like down in the dirt.
Down in the dirt of the plant, yeah.
If you have a plant, it needs some water.
Ooh, we probably do need to water it. I forgot to water it over the weekend.
Ooh, the plant's walking. Like, I can just see it's walking from underneath.
Is it getting thirsty?
Yeah, it's like, I don't want to add any water. I just want to nab it.
Okay. I'll make it later. Oh, and let me see if I can
And
help
two
you.
of those.
Okay, and then two. There we go. That's a good spot.
So like those flames.
Mm-hmm.
Flaming up, flaming down, flames everywhere. Flaming up, flaming down.
So you want to show everybody where you put them there?
So they're right here.
Oh.
I mean, we hided one right in
And
the
one
dirt.
in the dirt of the plant. Yep, our
Yep.
plant needs some water. It's looking kind of sad.
Yeah, it's drooping.
Oh gosh, it's
But-
drooping.
So we'll see you on the next time we're gonna be moving into the kitchen. If you watch that one, you will see us probably, and we'll be decorating some more.
Okay, see you in the kitchen.
Hi everybody. Today we're back in the kitchen,
Uh-huh.
and we're gonna do some more Easter egg.
Easter decorating?
Yes,
Yeah.
if you can see, we just finished that room,
Yes.
and we're moving on to this one now.
Okay, that sounds good. So let's do some more decorating.
Okay.
All right, so we've got our box in the windowsill here.
Well, I'm gonna go put this in the room.
Ah, you're gonna take my special egg and put it in your room? Okay.
Mine.
Okay, you can decorate that one in your room. Here, I'll hold that and we can do that in a minute. Why don't you do the rest of the kitchen work? Or you can just set it there, that's fine. Got it? Okay.
I see. So, do you think we need any glass anywhere?
I don't think we need grass anywhere, no.
Mom, I forgot to put something
Why
in
don't
my...
we take this out? Because we know that'll just be for later on when it's time to hunt eggs.
What's in here? I see a lot of eggs.
Yeah? Those
Oh,
colored eggs?
Wait,
That's
I
an
just
idea.
have a good idea.
Yeah?
We can hide some of these and these.
Oh my. Well, these are actually mini eggs that we could, if you want to get a branch from outside, we can make like a little miniature Easter tree. And put that around your room if you want. No. Oh.
What is this? A snail? Oh yeah, it is a snail.
Is it a snail? Oh yeah, it's a snail. You want to show them?
See?
A little bit farther back. Hold it just in front of
Oh,
you there.
like way at the camera.
Yeah, but that's too close. There you go. Two.
So if you can see, we put the snail on here.
Yep.
And we're snapping it. So whoever finds this one is a lucky goose.
A lucky goose, okay.
Well, let's say lucky Easter egg.
Like lucky Easter bunny, huh?
Yeah. Lucky bunny. Lucky bunny.
Lucky bunny, that works pretty good.
It's the best.
Okay, so let me see what we have left in here. So we have, oh, and we have a few Easter springtime books. So this is one that we like to read for the spring. And our favorite Little Blue Truck has a springtime book, which we always like.
Oh. Do you like my little bumblebee?
Yeah, that's the bumblebee you made last year. And here's some more of those ornaments. So if you want to get a little branch from the yard, we could bring that in and then make a little decoration. And this was something I know you liked to have out yet last year. You want to put that in your room?
Oh yeah, it has a little.
Yeah, a little secret. Maybe not too close.
I'm at least showing its wing.
Okay, well they can't see that, so. Okay, let's tell them that we're gonna finish decorating and we'll see you next time. You wanna do that for me?
We're gonna finish decorating and we'll see you next time. If we can, maybe we can show you the last moon that we just did.
Okay,
This
thanks for joining us, everybody. Have a
Yep,
great day.
thanks, and I hope you like us.
And we'll see you next time.
Yep.